Have you ever been told that you have to give up your favorite carbs to manage diabetes? Many people believe this, but it's simply not true. Today I'm here to share some amazing hacks. These hacks will show you how you can enjoy carbs and still manage your diabetes or insulin resistance. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll see just how possible it is. First things first, type 2 diabetes is not a genetic destiny. Lifestyle choices have a huge impact. Our modern food environment is loaded with unhealthy options. These foods make managing our health tough. But here's the good news. You have the power to change this. Stay with me, because later in this video, I'll share a few surprising and simple hacks. These hacks have helped thousands of people reverse their insulin resistance and diabetes. You won't want to miss this. Let's start with the basics. Insulin resistance is a spectrum. When you're healthy, your body responds well to insulin. But as you become more insulin resistant, your body needs more and more insulin to keep blood sugar levels in check. This leads to higher blood glucose levels, which is what your doctor measures to diagnose diabetes. You might be thinking, what's the big deal with a little extra sugar in my blood? Well, imagine your blood vessels as delicate pipelines. High blood sugar is like sand flowing through those pipes, causing wear and tear. This can lead to heart disease, stroke, kidney problems, and vision loss. The damage often doesn't show symptoms early on. Managing blood sugar is crucial, even without a diabetes diagnosis. You have more control over your health than you think. Let's face it, our modern food environment is saturated with processed foods, sugary drinks, and refined carbohydrates. These foods are often low in nutrients and high in calories, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. When you consume these types of foods, your body has to work overtime to produce enough insulin to bring your blood sugar back down. This constant overproduction of insulin can eventually lead to insulin resistance, setting the stage for prediabetes and type 2 diabetes. Research has shown a direct link between the consumption of processed foods, sugary drinks, and the rising rates of diabetes. The empowering truth is that you have the power to break free from this cycle. By understanding how different foods impact your blood sugar and making conscious choices to prioritize whole, unprocessed foods, you can take control of your health and potentially reverse diabetes. To understand insulin resistance better, think about it like coffee. When you first start drinking coffee, a small amount gives you a noticeable energy boost. But over time, you might find yourself needing more and more coffee to achieve the same effect. This is because your body gradually builds up a tolerance to caffeine. The same principle applies to insulin. When you frequently consume foods that spike your blood sugar, your body needs to produce more insulin to lower it. Eventually, your cells become less responsive to insulin signals, just like your body becomes less responsive to caffeine's effects. The good news is that, just like you can reset your caffeine tolerance, you can improve your insulin sensitivity. By making dietary changes and incorporating healthy habits, you can help your body respond better to insulin and regulate your blood sugar levels more effectively. Glucose spikes, those rapid surges in blood sugar that happen after consuming sugary or refined carbohydrate-rich foods, not only disrupt your insulin balance, but also trigger a vicious cycle of cravings and energy crashes. You might initially feel a burst of energy after that donut or sugary drink, but it's often followed by a sharp drop in blood sugar, leaving you feeling tired, irritable, and craving more sugary treats. This roller coaster of blood sugar fluctuations can make it incredibly challenging to maintain a healthy weight and manage your overall well-being. This is why breaking free from the cycle of sugar cravings is essential for long-term health and diabetes management. By opting for foods that promote stable blood sugar levels, such as fiber-rich vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats, you can avoid those dramatic glucose spikes and crashes, reduce cravings, and feel more energized and satisfied throughout the day. I know that you find this video informative so far and will continue to find the rest of this video informational and very educational. So go ahead and give me some support. This is simple, easy and free of cost, but significantly very important. It will only take a few seconds of your time, and like I mentioned before, it will cost you nothing, but will help to grow my channel and also enable me to spread more valuable, needed information like this. Now, click on that thumbs up button. It's a simple act, but the impact can be massive. Imagine that simple click as a ripple in a pond, extending outwards to touch and influence others to become more conscious about becoming more informed about their health and well-being. It also helps to spread much-needed important information to a wider audience, which can potentially make a change in someone's life. So go ahead, show your appreciation for these types of informative videos. Click that thumbs up button to potentially make a change. Now, to ensure that you don't miss out on any more valuable content, click the subscribe button and the notification bell that is beside it, then select all to gain access to all the other videos on my channel and to stay up to date with any new ones that gets posted. Most importantly, subscribing is absolutely free. My channel isn't just about sharing, it's about building a community of knowledge seekers who understand the importance of staying informed and updated when it comes to a healthy lifestyle. Now let's talk about carbohydrates, often demonized in the world of diabetes management. But here's the truth. Not all carbs are created equal. In fact, our bodies need carbohydrates to function properly. They're our primary source of energy. The key lies in understanding the different types of carbohydrates and how they impact our blood sugar levels. We have simple carbohydrates found in processed foods, sugary drinks and refined grains, which are quickly broken down into glucose, leading to those dreaded blood sugar spikes. On the other hand, we have complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, fruits, vegetables and legumes. By incorporating more complex carbohydrates into our diets and limiting our intake of simple refined carbs, we can fuel our bodies effectively while keeping our blood sugar in check. Now, how do you determine which carbs are considered good and which ones can send your blood sugar soaring? That's where the glycemic index, or GI, comes in handy. The GI ranks foods based on how quickly they raise your blood sugar levels. Foods with a high GI, such as white bread, sugary cereals and potatoes, are rapidly digested and absorbed, causing those sharp spikes in blood sugar. On the other hand, foods with a low GI, like lentils, beans, most fruits and non-starchy vegetables, are digested and absorbed more slowly, resulting in a more gradual and manageable rise in blood sugar. By being mindful of the GI of the carbohydrates you choose, you can make smarter choices that support stable blood sugar levels and overall health. Now let's talk about fiber. A true superhero in the world of blood sugar control. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest. While this may sound counterintuitive, it's actually this indigestible nature that makes fiber so beneficial for managing blood sugar levels. When you consume fiber-rich foods, the fiber acts like a sponge in your digestive system, slowing down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps prevent those rapid spikes in blood glucose that can wreak havoc on your energy levels and overall health. Moreover, fiber promotes a feeling of fullness and satisfaction, which can help regulate appetite and prevent overeating. So, make it a priority to include plenty of fiber-rich foods in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Your blood sugar and your overall health will thank you. Now let's debunk another common myth surrounding diabetes, that all fats are bad. While it's true that we want to limit our intake of unhealthy fats, such as trans fats and saturated fats, healthy fats are essential for overall health and can actually play a significant role in blood sugar control. Healthy fats, such as those found in avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil and fatty fish, help slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates. This means that your blood sugar won't spike as quickly after meals, promoting more stable blood glucose levels. Moreover, Healthy fats help you feel more satisfied after meals, reducing cravings for sugary treats. They also support hormone balance, brain health, and overall well-being. So don't be afraid to include healthy fats in your diet. Embrace the goodness of avocados, sprinkle some nuts and seeds on your salads, and drizzle olive oil on your vegetables. Now let's dive into those simple yet powerful hacks that can make a world of difference in managing and even reversing diabetes. And the best part is, these hacks are all about making small, sustainable changes that easily fit into your lifestyle. One of the easiest ways to start is by making simple food swaps. Instead of reaching for that white bread, opt for whole wheat or multigrain bread. Swap out white rice for brown rice or quinoa. And when it comes to breakfast cereals, ditch the sugary options and choose ones that are high in fiber and low in added sugar. Instead of sugary drinks, quench your thirst with water, unsweetened tea, or infused water with slices of lemon or cucumber. These simple swaps might seem small, but they can have a significant impact on your blood sugar control and overall health over time. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices that nourish your body and support your health goals. Now let's talk about meal timing, a powerful yet often overlooked aspect of blood sugar control. You see, it's not just about what you eat, but also about when you eat that can impact your blood sugar levels. Eating large meals, especially those high in carbohydrates, can lead to those dreaded blood sugar spikes. On the other hand, spreading your meals evenly throughout the day and incorporating healthy snacks can help keep your blood sugar levels more stable. Make sure to start your day with a balanced breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. This will provide sustained energy and prevent those mid-morning energy slumps and cravings. And remember, it's generally best to avoid skipping meals, especially breakfast. Now, portion control. It's a phrase we hear often, but it's not about deprivation or sticking to a rigid diet plan. It's about finding a balance that works for you and allows you to enjoy your favorite foods while managing your blood sugar levels effectively. One helpful tip is to use smaller plates. Our eyes can often be bigger than our stomachs, and using smaller plates can help us naturally reduce our portion sizes without feeling deprived. Another helpful strategy is to practice the plate method. Divide your plate into sections, filling half with non-starchy vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with complex carbohydrates. And most importantly, listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Now let's talk about movement. And no, you don't need to become a marathon runner or spend hours at the gym to reap the benefits. Even moderate physical activity can work wonders for your blood sugar control and overall health. Exercise helps your cells become more sensitive to insulin, meaning your body doesn't need to produce as much insulin to lower your blood sugar levels. It's like giving your cells a tune-up, making them more efficient at utilizing glucose for energy. You'll be amazed at how even a brisk walk after meals can significantly impact your blood sugar levels. Find activities you enjoy, whether it's dancing, gardening, swimming, or simply taking the stairs instead of the elevator. Remember, every little bit counts. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Managing diabetes doesn't have to be overwhelming or restrictive. It's about making conscious choices that empower you to live a healthier, more vibrant life. By tuning into your body's signals, understanding how different foods impact your blood sugar, and embracing healthy habits, you can take control of your health destiny. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Don't be discouraged by setbacks or slip-ups. Every day is a new opportunity to make positive choices. Celebrate your successes, big and small. And remember that every step you take towards a healthier lifestyle is a step in the right direction. Surround yourself with a supportive community, whether it's family, friends, or online groups who understand the challenges and triumphs of managing diabetes. Sharing your experiences, tips, and recipes can make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. We've explored diabetes, debunked myths, and uncovered powerful hacks to take control of your health. It's not about drastic overhauls or depriving yourself. Small, sustainable changes add up to big results. Simple food swaps, mindful meal timing, and movement can make a world of difference. This video is your toolkit, equipped with practical strategies. You have the power to break free from blood sugar spikes and potentially reverse your condition. Reach out to your healthcare provider for personalized support. So, are you ready to embark on your journey to better health? It all starts with a single step. Choose one of the hacks we discussed today and commit to incorporating it into your daily routine. Write down your goals, track your progress, and celebrate your achievements along the way. Remember, even small changes can lead to significant improvements in your blood sugar control, energy levels, and overall well-being. I believe in you. You have the power within you to transform your health and live a fulfilling life, free from the limitations of diabetes. Take charge, embrace the journey, and watch as you unlock a healthier, happier you. The information provided in this video is intended for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new diet or making significant changes to your eating habits, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Your health is your most significant asset, and it's crucial to make informed decisions under the guidance of professionals. Remember, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution to health, and what works for one person may not work for another. Work with your healthcare provider to make the best decisions for your health. Therefore, use this information as a starting point. Thanks for tuning in. Remember, take action today for a healthier tomorrow. And in the meantime, keep an eye out for my next upcoming video. So until my next video, click on the playlist displayed for more informational and educational videos like this one. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep learning. Until next time, take care and keep those blood sugars in check.